This is 1F, where you've got to create a test plan. It asks you to create a test plan below for the website showing 3 further tests, and each test should be for a different aspect of the website. Now when we're talking about different, we need to think about what is different. So once we've tested a link, we cannot test another hyperlink. We could test a submit button, no. We could test the type of browser. We could test the map. We could test that certain data exists on every page in terms of consistency, that the page loads in a reasonable time limit. So there's lots of options to choose from here. Now I'm going to go through a couple of examples in a minute, but the key to this is that when you write your test plan, would somebody be able to pick it up, follow it, and run that test plan? So here, restaurants link on home page. So we know that we need the home page available. On the home page, click on the restaurants link in the navigation bar. Now if we hadn't said on the home page, we wouldn't know what page it's for, and so it's really important that you state what page is being used. And then our expected result, the restaurants page, will open. So let's have a look at something else. We'll have a look at the weather. So here we could say weather. Okay. Now it's got to be which page. So the weather is on the home page. So weather on home page. This is something completely different to this. How to test it? Well, open the home page to start with. Look at the weather. Check that it is for Sutton Coldfield and the dates are current. Okay. So what would we expect? We would expect it to be, okay, weather is for Sutton Coldfield and dates for the weather are current. Now this means that really we can just take all of this bit out, because that's not how to test it. That's actually what we expect as a result. So our item to test is just a description of what we're doing. This is specifically what the tester has got to do, and this is the expected result. Now there's some other examples in the original similar but different instructions, and also in the similar but different answers. Have a look through some of those, and when it comes to doing the real coursework, make sure that you do things that are different, and remember only your first 3 will be marked, so make sure those first 3 are different. But spend some time doing a similar but different one and asking your teacher for feedback as to whether you're doing the right sort of thing without looking at the answers whilst you actually write it up. It's really important that you practice this, because once you do it on the real coursework, your teacher can't really give you any feedback. They can only give you feedback on something that's similar but different.